Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing and review of Desio CHERRY COFFEE contact lenses. I also included bonus video for your viewing pleasure. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Right here, I'm just showing you the packaging for the Desio CHERRY COFFEE contact lenses. These lenses are a part of the Coffee collection. I'm assuming that these lenses are being marketed to the darker skinned clientele. And I say that because they usually have dark skinned people modeling these lenses. The lenses in this collection include black coffee, espresso, cappuccino, and finally, cherry coffee. Okay, I'm just opening up the packaging and we're just going to take a look and see what's going on inside. Desio offers prescription lenses for those needing corrective vision, which actually I do because I do wear glasses, but in this case I decided to purchase the Plano, which is the non-prescription contact lenses. They were a lot cheaper and I get to enjoy the shades, and most of the time I use these contact lenses for video purposes. Okay, I've opened up my contact lenses. It includes the expiration date and whether or not they're prescription. As you can see, mine's aren't because it said 0.00. Here you also see a pamphlet of what contact lenses are in this particular collection, and as I mentioned before, those are the four lenses or shades that you can get in this collection. It also includes instructions for use, which I'm showing you right here, and it comes in many different languages, so you're bound to find it in a language that you can understand. Right here I'm just showing you the contact lens solution that I'll be using, and here's my contact lens case. I'm just going to open up the contact lens packaging, and we're going to take a look at the contact lens themselves. Okay, when you take a look at them, they look pretty red. It looked like it's not going to work, but actually once it mixes with your eyes, the natural color of your eyes, it's going to look pretty natural, honestly. Okay, right here I'm just showing you how I use my solution. I usually fill my contact lens case all the way to the brim, because just in case you tip your contact lens case over, you don't have to worry about your contacts being dried out on either side or whatever. And now we're going to seal the contact lens in their case tightly. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, right here I'm just showing you my natural eyes at a distance. As you can see here, there's a tinge of red, but for the most part they're pretty dark brown. And now I'm just going to come a little bit closer, and you're going to see what my natural eye color is. Just as I said before, it has a tinge of red, but for the most part they're pretty dark brown. Okay, this is me really close up, and you can see my natural eye color, and when we put on our contacts, you'll see the difference. Okay, right here, here are the contact lenses at a distance. You can see the comparison between my natural eye color, which is on your right, and the contact lenses, which is on your left. The contact lenses look pretty red, but it's not unnatural. I've worn these out in public, and I actually like them a lot, because by the time somebody realizes there are contact lenses, actually I don't know what they're thinking, but they give you a look. It's pretty exciting and fun, but I like them a lot. And to be honest with you, I have 2 pairs, but the problem was that I used these after. I wanted to showcase the other contact lenses before these, and now they're about to expire, which is the sad part, but I will be purchasing another pair. So here I'm just showing you a really close-up video of how the contacts look when you are looking in somebody's face like this or whatever. I think they're pretty natural. Okay, here are the contact lenses in both eyes. As you can see, it has like a reddish brown, even though when you look at the lenses, they look pretty red. But I actually like these. They look so natural and beautiful to me. Is it just me, or does it make your eyes look larger? Okay, here we are a little bit closer. We have a nice reddish brown eye color, and I like these a lot. I think these contact lenses are pretty noticeable when you have light in your eyes. But if you're just walking around in the darkness or in dark or dim lighting, they're not as noticeable. Okay, right here we're just getting an even closer vision of what the contact lens look like. And as you can see, they have this deep, rich, reddish brown look to them. Right here I've included a close-up of how they look and how they sit on my natural eyes. In the very center you can see my natural eye color, and it's barely distinguishable between the contact lens and my natural eye color. You can barely tell the difference here, and they look so natural in my opinion. I think it's a pretty good purchase if you have a dark complexion and you didn't want anything too wild or crazy. Yeah. Okay, now on to the bonus footage. Okay, so I have included video of me and my partner going to City Park. I wanted to get natural lighting on my contact lenses so you can get a real idea of what to expect when you wear these contact lenses, or you make that purchase or decide to make that purchase. So we're just walking down the trail and we're on our way to an area where I think is pretty good, which I can showcase these lenses. Okay, so I've never done a blog before, but I noticed that people allow the background to be heard, so that's what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to come back at the very end. No.
Look right there. This is me. You see?
Mm-hmm.
You see that?
Mm-hmm.
And she donated that shit to the city. Right. Place again. I ain't never heard of it. All right.
Thank you. Y'all can pick up right now.
We gotta get on the
Perfect, I got it. You want to put yours down so I can do this too?
I want you to hurry up so I can eat my snowball.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a pretty good idea of whether or not you want to make a purchase on these contact lenses. I think they're a very good option for those of darker skin and wanted something that was pretty natural. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.